Hi guys. Today we are exploring how to read and write common words used in Among Us game. Let's get started. AFK is one of the most common gaming lingo, not just used on Among Us game. It means away from keyboard. Once a player says he is AFK, it means he has walked away from the device for many possible reasons. Either internet connection or glitch on the game. Though it's commonly used, a lot of Among Us players also use this terminology to create a confusion, avoid blame for killing, or just irritate other gamers. GG is short for good game. Some also uses this word to tell the imposter he has done a great job on keeping up his disguise. Sush is short for suspicious, which is the main phrase you should know on the game. Once you felt that another crewmate is quite suspicious, it's better to tell your co-crewmates that he is sush. However, this doesn't mean the player is already the imposter. Few imposters in Among Us may even call out names, just to avoid suspicion from other crewmates. Elec, short for electricity, is maybe a common word that anyone could figure out. But once you don't know it, other players may think you're suspicious. This is a part of the scaled map wherein most killings are made, especially once the lights are off. It is near a vent, and kind of far away from other rooms in the map. Venting is an essential ability in Among Us game, which allows imposters to move around the map with much more ease. It not only allows imposters with an opportunity to get away from the scene of a crime quickly but also hide in the vents until someone reports the dead body. The most important factors to keep in mind while venting as an imposter in Among Us includes keeping in mind that no security cameras are around when the imposter is trying to get into or out of a vent. Making sure that they do not come out of a room that no one saw them going into the first place. This raises suspicion for the player using the vents, thus outing them as an imposter. While hidden in a vent, both the sabotage and the kill button cooldown timers are paused, which means that imposters cannot play an entire game hidden from the vents. The safest time to use the vents as an imposter is when there is neither anyone around you nor anyone watching the security cameras. As an added layer of protection, imposters are always advised to close the door while venting so that crewmates cannot determine the player's identity using the vents. The goal of the crewmates is to identify the imposters, eliminate them, and complete tasks around the map. Crewmates win if all imposters are eliminated or all tasks are completed, whereas imposters win if there is an equal number of imposters and crewmates or if a critical sabotage goes unresolved. The imposter's goal is to covertly sabotage and kill the crewmates before they complete all of their tasks. Players suspected to be imposters may be eliminated via plurality vote, which any player may initiate by calling an emergency meeting, except during a crisis, or reporting a dead body. Cyan. Surprisingly, a lot of players on the game don't know the meaning of the word cyan. Cyan is a combination of green and blue color. Or most commonly, a simple light blue color. Remember, if you see cyan killed a crewmate, better tell your co-crewmates as quickly as possible. Cyan is an imposter. Red. Red. Blue. Blue. Green. Green. Pink. Pink. Magenta. Magenta. Orange. Orange. Yellow. Yellow. Black. Black. White. White. Purple. Purple. Brown. Brown. Lime. Lime.